The alarming surge in impersonation scams is emerging as a critical threat across various sectors, urging immediate action from both businesses and the public. These schemes are becoming increasingly advanced, leveraging technology to deceive and defraud on a large scale. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. In 2024, scams in India have grown increasingly advanced, using cutting-edge technology and deceptive tactics to exploit vulnerable individuals. These schemes impact people from all walks of life, leading to significant financial setbacks and emotional strain. In 2024 alone, American consumers suffered losses totaling $3 billion due to these sophisticated operations. Fraudsters are using tools like artificial intelligence, encrypted communication channels, and realistic fake websites to mislead individuals and compromise data security. These scams affect a broad spectrum of industries from finance and healthcare to government services and e-commerce. By exploiting trusted identities, attackers erode confidence and compromise customer relationships. To counteract these growing issues, the Government and Business Impersonation Rule came into effect in April. This regulation outlaws impersonating official entities or representatives and imposes penalties reaching up to $53,088 along with mandatory restitution for victims. The Federal Trade Commission has already taken decisive steps by initiating legal action against 5 offenders, including deceptive student loan relief services and a fraudulent debt collection agency. Additionally, it has dismantled 13 websites posing as legitimate government platforms. Chris Mufferage, director of the Bureau of Consumer Protection, emphasized the gravity of the problem, stating that the Federal Trade Commission will rigorously pursue violators to uphold public trust and financial safety. To effectively address impersonation threats, organizations must adopt AI-powered security systems, enhance employee and customer awareness, and engage in active monitoring. Collaboration across sectors is essential to strengthen defense frameworks and prevent further harms. Moving forward, there will be some technology that will evolve to address this growing problem of impersonation scams. Let's look into today's headlines. BharatPe gets RBI nod as payment aggregator. BharatPe's subsidiary, Resilient Payments Private Limited, has received final approval from the Reserve Bank of India to operate as an online payment aggregator. With this, BharatPe becomes the only Indian fintech to hold an NBFC license via Trillion Loans, a stake in Unity Small Finance Bank, and now a PA license. This strategic win reinforces its position as a full-stack fintech offering digital payments, lending, and investment services. The company plans to launch its new PA platform under the brand name BharatPe X to power seamless digital transactions. New malware Neptune RAT can hijack Windows PCs and steal crypto. A dangerous new malware called Neptune RAT, that is Remote Access Trojan, is spreading quickly via popular platforms like YouTube, GitHub, and Telegram, specifically targeting Windows users. This malware is designed to steal sensitive information such as usernames, passwords, and cryptocurrency wallet details. It can also disable antivirus software, lock files for ransom, or even wipe an entire system. According to security experts, Neptune RAT is one of the most advanced threats seen in recent months, making it especially concerning. Its widespread presence online makes it a serious risk for unsuspecting users. Google Keep widgets gets bigger and bolder look. Despite stiff competition, Google Keep has stayed as a top note-taking app since its 2013 launch. Available on both Android and iPhone, it remains popular for its simplicity and cross-platform sync. While Google has added features over time, the widgets haven't seen major changes since Android 12 till now. A new update is rolling out with larger, redesigned widgets. The iconic flower-shaped Quick Capture widget now spans edge to edge on the screen grid, and its central plus button appears in a spherical shape, offering a fresh, more modern look for faster note-taking. Snowflake brings innovations to Apache Iceberg tables. Snowflake now offers full support for Apache Iceberg tables, boosting performance, secure data sharing, and data protection in one of the fastest growing open table formats. This allows organizations to activate data faster with zero movement and seamless interoperability. Customers can accelerate open lakehouse strategies, unify access across open and managed environments, and scale AI-powered apps efficiently. Snowflake combines the flexibility of open data formats with its secure, easy-to-use platform without vendor lock-in, giving global users the freedom to manage, analyze, and share data to drive advanced insights and AI innovation. WhatsApp image scam is the new steganography in town. The Department of Telecommunications has warned about an emerging threat which shifts from traditional OTP and fake link scams to file-based attacks. A man lost nearly rupees 2 lakh from downloading an image sent via WhatsApp from an unknown number. Scammers use a method called steganography, that is, hiding malicious links inside images. Once downloaded, the image crashes the victim's phone and installs malware, granting scammers access to sensitive data and enabling unauthorized financial transactions. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.